Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the court case status of all professional societies who was permanently recognition with the MHRD now under review of the AICT. Here are details pertaining to those students who enrolled with the 22 institutes like here Institution of Engineers, Institutes of Electronics and Telecommunication, Institutes of Mechanical Engineer, Aeronautical Society of India, Institution of Civil Engineers, the Indian Institute of Engineers, the Institution of Surveyor, the Institution of Electrical Energy, Institution of Fire Engineers, the Council of Engineering and Technology, and more Indian Institute of Ceramic, Indian Institute of Metal Kolkata, Indian Institute of Chemical Engineering including polymer and environmental groups, Indian Institute of Industrial Engineering and many more like Indian Institute of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Delhi, Indian Institute of Welding, Indian Institute of Foundrymen, Indian Institute of Industrial Engineering Navi Mumbai, the Institute of Industrial Engineering and Technology, and last three Indian Institute of Industrial Interaction, Education and Research, the Automobile Society of India, and Institute of Motor Industry. These are the professional bodies of professional society who was running the associate membership program in the past. The associate membership examination equivalent to bachelor degree and technician engineers examination equal to diploma level of the polytechnic in engineering branches. These organizations, mainly non-profitable technical society or body who were granted permanent recognition with Ministry of Human Resource Development in the past. Currently, this is under review of AICT. There are many court cases running now. Those candidates who enrolled after 31st 5 2013, after that enrolled students are affecting with to getting a government job in any central or state jobs. So here I want to discuss the all court case status. Please like, subscribe and share. The first of all, I want to say the big institute professional society is institutions of engineers Kolkata in abbreviation called IEI and its course popularly known as AMIE. AMIE. The examination in the section A and section B. Okay, with the 15 branches, the most combined and largest professional society. And another is separate by branch wise like electronics, mechanical, aeronautical, civil, different and different. Okay, but after the here are the public notice of PICT, we explain each and everything. Just in it, in 2012, MHRD published a public notice, official memorandum, in which the the recognition have been ceased after 31st May 2013. Okay, for professional bodies and institutions. In this way, there are many professional society who challenges the office memorandum of MHRD file number this. Okay, the challenge in the Delhi High Court. I want to here say there are 10 professional society who challenged the first 10. Here the Institution of Engineers, IET, Mechanical Engineers final cases had in Supreme Court, outcomes having final judgment. Okay, Aeronautical Society, Civil Engineers, Institute of Indian Institute of Engineers, Institute of Surveyor, Institute of Electronics, Institute of Electrical Engineers, Institute of Fire. There are 10 professional society who challenges this office memorandum of MHRD. And remaining there are many professional society who did not any type of cases. Here are the 12. But they were this professional society were recognized in the past, but recently he did not challenge this office order of the MHRD. That by means may say he was not interested to further run their course. Okay, so in this way, uh, further I will explain you about the court case status individually. Okay, The Institute of Engineers individually case will explain in the further single video. In next, I will explain about this a single video. Okay, in this way, aeronautical societies and each and every single video I will explain the what is the code status and how will it may appoint to final results and how will student win. Okay, so unless you, perhaps you are understanding each and everything. And further, I want to say you subscribe our YouTube channel for further updates and follow my another YouTube video which is available in link. Okay, here many institute have closed the admission as per AICT Delhi High Court case final court case is pending about MIs. All the examination. Here I want to say the abbreviation of each society is different. Just say Institute of Engineers AMIE, this name AMIET, this name some each professional society degree name is different, but all is equivalent to degree BTech or diploma engineering. Okay, understand in this way. Here I want to say this many students closed admission. Okay, as per Delhi High Court. This will only student who wish to get government job. I want to say about here who want to get a government job, they have to document verification. So this video and court status video will only useful who wanted want a government job, not a private sector, because private sector did not verify any documents. So all the degree who have completed from this will be eligible that as per their employer interest. Okay, here I want to say, if you want any your friend a relation in engineering, so always check the AICT website which institute is recognized or not. If the that engineering college or institute is course pending does not take any admission or recommend anyone. Okay, in this way I want to say if you are a working diploma holders and want to try a policy from MHRD, then join this group, a helping best to you a telegram channel AMI approvals. Perhaps you are understanding each and everything. Let's unite and do a better. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.